How to enable or disable show place names in calendar on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then tap on the calendar app. In here, make sure you go back to the main calendar display and then tap on the menu button at the top. Next, tap on the settings icon. In here, we then scroll down and tap on show place names and then tap on agree, and that's it. So that's how you can turn it off, switch it on, and then tap on agree. When you turn it on in your calendar, if you created an event with the location, it will show the place name in your calendar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.